Okay guys, so for this question, I would start with the ionization energy first. And the ionization energy of potassium is going to be less than calcium. Because of Coulomb's law, potassium has one less proton in the nucleus. So it's a smaller value for Q. This is the horizontal arrangement. Thus, it's got a lower force of attraction between that electron and the nucleus, and that would give it a lower first ionization energy. Now, because it has a lower first ionization energy, the atom itself is going to be a little bit bigger. So when you're on the left-hand side of the periodic table, you might remember from the pre-training, atoms are bigger. Okay? And that's because they have less force of attraction due to Coulomb's law and thus expand. So the atomic radius should be less than calcium, it should be greater, and the ionization energy should be less because there are less protons in the nucleus. Now, when we look at this question, it says that photon-electron spectra above show the energy required to remove a 1s electron from nitrogen. Which of the following statements best accounts for the peak in the upper spectrum being to the right of the peak in the lower spectrum? Okay, so when you look at nitrogen, nitrogen required less energy, almost 400, whatever that value is, electron volts. Oxygen required more, and that's because oxygen has more protons in the nucleus, so that electron is feeling more force due to Coulomb's law, thus it requires more energy to remove that 1s electron. And the answer to this is D. Nitrogen atoms have a smaller nuclear charge than oxygen